I need 1 lemon, peel off it, cut the lemon into slices. Take the slices in a saucepan. Add a spoon of coriander seed. Add a spoon of cumin seeds. Add 1 glass water. Now boil the mixture on low heat for 10 minutes. Add mint leaves. Mix it well. Strain it. Add a spoon of honey, it's optional. Drink a cup in the morning, half hour before breakfast. To get an effective result, continue to drink this drink for 2 weeks. You will notice the difference, especially in the stomach area. You can prepare a quantity for 3 days and store it in the refrigerator. These tips are completely natural, there is no side effect. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.